and I will upload this particular video in YouTube so you can see it. So I told you about that MS Access software. So this is the first screen of MS Access. Okay. So here we will create our first database. Just click on the blank database. There is an option called as blank database. Click here. When you click here, it will ask the database name. So let me give the database name school. I have just given the database name school, SCHOOL. Click on the create option. Okay. So by default, one table is created. Okay. But I don't want to use this table. Let me close this. First, you have to understand after creating a database, we have to create a table. Table is the organized collection of data in the form of rows and column. आपने टेबल एमएस वर्ड में भी यूज किया होगा, आपने एक्सेल के डाटा भी देखे, आप टेबल में ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं. जब हम अपने डाटा को टेबल के में ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, सो अवर डाटा लुक्स मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड आल्सो इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड द डाटा. ओके, so what we have to do, first we have to create a table in the design view. There are two ways. How many ways? Two ways to create a table. One is the design view and second is the table view. Just go to the create. There is option called table. Okay, this table and this is table design. सो टेबल में जब क्लिक करोगे आप तो नॉर्मल जो पहले आया था ये डेटा शीट व्यू बोलते हैं इसे. इसमें आपको डायरेक्ट आपका कॉलम नेम आपको यहाँ पे ऐड करना है एंड देन द डेटा. बट आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट दिस वे. गो टू द क्रिएट एंड देयर इज अ नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन कॉल्ड एज टेबल डिजाइन. क्लिक ऑन दिस टेबल डिजाइन एंड फील्ड नेम. फील्ड नेम मतलब होता है कॉलम नेम. ठीक है, जैसे मान लो स्कूल है. इन स्कूल what type of information we have to store, just like the student details, employee details. Okay, stock maintenance we will do, library details we have to manage. So first I want to create a table of student. What I have to do, I have to create a table of student where we will store student details. Am I audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Let me give the column names. The first is called as the admission number. Admission number is very important for a student because it uniquely identifies a student. क्योंकि दो बच्चों के नाम सेम हो सकता है दोनों बच्चों की क्लास भी सेम हो, तो उससे आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाओगे. So first we have to create one special field called as the primary key also, admission number. And admission number I have to give the data type auto number. There is one option here, auto number. तो जो एडमिशन नंबर जैसे ही आप न्यू स्टूडेंट ऐड करोगे ऑटोमेटिक उसे नंबर मिलता जाएगा. ओके, and what do you mean by data type? Data type means the type of data that we have to store in a particular column. ठीक है, for example, suppose I have to save the student name. So student name, this will be the text type, short text. ठीक है, शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट की जो साइज होती है आप 255 कैरेक्टर तक दे सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो रिड्यूस, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि जो नेम होता है वो इतना बड़ा नहीं होता. ठीक है, तो आप इसको 50 कैरेक्टर्स यहाँ पे कर सकते हो नीचे प्रॉपर्टीज पे. दिस आर कॉल्ड एज द फील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, सो हियर लेट मी गिव द 50 कैरेक्टर्स. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्टूडेंट फादर्स नेम. सो फादर नेम लेट मी गिव शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट ऑल्सो. देन क्लास, admission class, you can tell admission class. So it will be the also text because Roman also we can write down one. Okay, the next one, date of birth. So date of birth is the type of date time because यहाँ पे हमको date time डालना होता है. Okay, then date of admission. So date of admission, this is also date time, right? So this all information are there. Then fee. Fee is generally the form of currency. This is called as the currency. Currency means rupees like that. Okay, that we have to use it. Is it clear? Any
Yes,
doubt up
sir.
to this?
No, sir.
And
No,
then
sir.
we have to press Control plus W. Okay? We have to use the Control plus W for saving our file. Okay? We have to use Control plus W to save our table. So let me press the shortcut key Control plus W. Now it is asking for the table name. So let me give the table name student details. Click on OK. Now it is also saying the primary key. Primary key you have to set one of the column. प्राइमरी की वो होता है बेटा, ऐसा कॉलम होता है आपके टेबल में जो एक पर्टिकुलर रिकॉर्ड को यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई करे. सो आप इसमें से सारे कॉलम से मुझे ये बताओ कि कौन सा ऐसा कॉलम है जो एक स्टूडेंट को यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है. कैन यू टेल मी?
Admission number.
Admission date. Admission number.
यस, एडमिशन नंबर. तो आप इसको पहले प्राइमरी की बनाओ. तो किसी भी कॉलम को अगर आपको प्राइमरी की बनाना है, सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस हियर जस्ट लाइक दिस वे. यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करोगे एडमिशन नंबर के इस पर्टिकुलर रो हेडर पे. देन देयर इज ऑप्शन कॉल्ड प्राइमरी की एट द टॉप. क्लिक ऑन दिस प्राइमरी की. जिससे देखो आपको यहाँ पे की की आइकॉन हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स दिस विल बी द प्राइमरी की. नाउ आई एम सेविंग दिस फाइल. ओके, सो माई टेबल इज क्रिएटेड. अभी आप देख सकते हो मेरी टेबल क्रिएट हो गई है यहाँ पे. नाउ आई हैव टू एंटर द रिकॉर्ड्स. ठीक है, डबल क्लिक ऑन द टेबल, देन दिस पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन विल कम. नाउ यू हैव टू एंटर द रिकॉर्ड्स. तो मैं यहाँ पे जल्दी से कुछ रिकॉर्ड्स एंटर करता हूँ. ओके, लेट मी शो यू. सपोज दिस इज द विनय वर्मा. Father name suppose Mr. Verma. Admission class suppose 8. Then date of birth. आप जैसी date of birth पे आप यहाँ पे calendar मिल जाएगा. That you have to select the year and this all the information. ठीक है? You can just select the years also यहाँ पे, and then you can select it. This all. So let me create one date like this. So automatically it is there. Now you can also change this date. Suppose this is 2007. So you can change it. Right? Then the date of admission. So date of admission, suppose 30 April. So first we have to give the month, then date, and then year. So it is the 30 April 2021. And what is the fees? Like this. So in this way you have to enter the record. देखो admission number automatic मिलता जाएगा because I have done what? Auto number. Date of birth, suppose it is November. Okay, so first 11, date is 24, and what is the year? Suppose 2007. And admission date is what? Suppose it is 4th month, first date, and then 2021. And what is the fees? 5,000. Okay. So in this way you enter the records as many you want. Okay. But for the better practice, I want to tell you that you have to enter at least 10 to 15 records. ठीक है? तो आपको ऐसे 10 to 15 records डालने के बाद इसको फिर से सेव करना है. And how can you save? Control plus W. What is the shortcut key for saving the records?
Control plus W.
Control plus W.
Yes, Control plus W. Okay. So what we have done till now, अभी तक हमने क्या क्या किया बेटा? Let me show you. The first we have to do, what we have done first, database creation. Then we have done table creation, and then we have done inserting records. right? We have done
Yes,
up to
sir.
this only. Database creation, table creation, inserting records, right? Let us see the next option. Suppose if you want to update your table,
Yes, sir.
we have created the table. Now we think that city field is missing there. आपने एक city column आपको add करना था, but आपने add नहीं किया. Now you can also do edit of the table. How to do it? You just right click on the student details. आपको right click करना है student details पे. Then you have to click on the design view option. After this design view option, what you have to do, जहां पे भी आपको नए रोज बनाने हैं, सपोज आई हैव टू क्रिएट आफ्टर एडमिशन क्लास, तो मुझे यहाँ पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. देन देयर इज ऑप्शन कॉल इंसर्ट रो. तो आपने देखा यहाँ पे एक नया रो इंसर्ट हो गया. देन आई हैव टू गिव द कॉलम नेम कॉल्ड एज सिटी, एंड सिटी आल्सो इट विल बी द शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट. ओके, बिकॉज सिटी के नेम भी आप शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट में डाल सकते हो. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, due to network disturbance, okay, I've just logged out. Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You have to select this short text and again Control plus W for saving the table. Now again double click on this student details. Now you can add the cities also. So let me enter the city Bilaspur here, and here also let me give the Bilaspur. You can also add some more records. Like this. Suppose the class is 7 and Raipur city. Then date of it is 01/0/2008, and date of admission you can give 4/1/2021. Fees is suppose 4,000. Okay. So in this way you can enter as many records you want. You can add many records in it. After that you can press Control plus W. So what we have learned, the next thing we have learned after this, updating table. Okay. If you want to make modification in the table design, then you can do this one, called as updating table. Is there any doubt in this 4 options? किसी को भी इनमें कोई डाउट है? This one first, second, third.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. The next one is, after creating this table, we want to print out this table. So printing can be done by creating the report that is very attractive. Okay, अगर आपको एक attractive report बनानी है, so how you can do it? Just go to the create option. There is option called as report wizard. Can you see this one? Report wizard. Click on this, and then you have to select the table from this option. At present, you have only one table. That's why only one table it is coming, and whatever the fields you want to print it, then you can select. Suppose I want on student name and city and fee. Suppose this account department I have to give student name, city and fee. So I want only 3 columns. Click on next. If you want to any grouping, and you can also do it just like city wise. आप चाहते हो एक city को एक साथ हो जाए और बाकी जो अलग दूसरी city के उस तरह से grouping हो जाए. Click on next. If you want to make ascending order, suppose student name आप चाहो तो short कर सकते हो. Then there is option portrait or landscape. दोनों में है. And then you can click on the preview the report. Finish. So आप देख सकते हो ब्यूटीफुल ये टेबल क्रिएट हो गया. ओके, तो सबसे पहले आपके बिलासपुर के 2 बच्चे हैं, ईशान एंड विनय. इट इज अरेंज, टोटल फीस इज अरेंज, रायपुर स्टूडेंट टेबल निखिल एंड दिस फीस. ओके, so now you can take the printout of this report and you can use it. So this is the next thing. I will give you the detailed knowledge about this particular reports, how to do that. अभी आप देख सकते हो कि फीस है, जिसकी वजह से the particular fees cost was not here properly. So let me design this form properly. Let me add this field also. Now you see, देखो फीस थोड़ी इधर हो गई, भी थोड़े से इधर हो गए. This properly. Is there any doubt in this, beta?
No, sir. No doubt.
So your task is what you have the database and then you create the table. After creating the table, you have to insert 10 to 15 records. Okay. So today we will do up to this on class. We will study more. So now you can leave the meeting, and this meeting, recorded meeting, I will put in a YouTube. I will give you the link. You can anytime you can refer this one. Okay. Have a nice
Okay,
day.
sir.
Bye bye.
Sir, my exercise.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.